Our hotel is just beside. Uy, ang dami palang ano rito, seafoods ah. Dito lang ah. Dito marami ng seafoods oh. We're near the market. Wow, we can eat a live octopus. Galing. Kasi nasa beach tayo eh. Ang daming seafoods. Yun, gagalit na. So we're going to the street where all the eels are. So this is Busan. We're getting hungry na. And we're still in the sea. Well, it's just a public market. Uy, daming gulay oh. Yun ang masarap sa ano eh. Yun ang masarap sa Korea. And if you want to be healthy, every time they eat, there's always vegetables. Maaga magsara. They close early, this public market. Oh wow, it's a restaurant serving a lot of eels. Look at that. Well, I think this is the eel street. If you love eels, which I do. Eels all around this street. Buhay pa yung mga eel, oh. Wow. They just died. Wow, so that's how you... Oh, yan pala, oh. That's how they do it, oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's still alive. Ako mahilig sa eel. Oh, yes, I've seen it before. First they cut the head. And then it's dead. And then they scrape it. So this lady knows how to do it properly, and that's the reason why it's so good, because they're very much alive. Oh, look at them. They're still moving, but they're practically dead now. Galing. So, and the eels here, if you eat them, it's very, very cheap. Like I would say 1 kilo. 1 kilo should be about 10,000 won, or not even more than 10,000 won. Yes, you wouldn't believe how cheap it is to eat eels here. Yes, now this is the restaurant. As we go inside the restaurant. Hello.
Hello.
We're eating here. We're eating. Where's my group? Oh, my group is there. Oh, it's my group. Oh, this is my group. Oh, okay. We're the eel eaters. Yan, tayo yung mga eel eaters. Ha? Okay. Ha? Oo. Okay. Check the prices of the keel here. Oh. So these are the prices. Yes. Well, very, very reasonable na. Ano picture dyan, Berna? Yung presyo ng eel? Okay. Ha? Oh, what's it? Oh, may fish din pala. Yan pala eh. Kailangan lang may translator. Diba? Okay, so we're ready to order. Ang daming free appetizer.
Fish lang naman, tsaka yatang meron, tsaka fried rice.
Alright. May fish, diba? Oh, may fish daw, cold. Baron. Yun, oh. Mukhang masarap yung mga isla nila, oh.
You only have fish and eel. Okay, fish and eel.
Ayun. Communication. Fish and eel lang. Iba talaga rito. Uy, ang daming gulay.
Rolly, ano ka, eel o fish?
Pareho. Eel and fish. Ang sarap, Tito Pat. Sarap. Carrots yata yun eh.
Ano ito?
I think that's carrots.
Hindi, ito beef.
Yan. Meron tayong soup. Meron tayong gulay. Yan sa libre ng Korean. Yan lang ang... Diyan lang, busog na tayo.
Fish and eel, okay.
Fish and eel.
Ano?
Each. How did that? So 120 for both.
Okay na. Okay na. Ayos na.
Meron lang yun ha, nagkaintindihan kayo.
It's free. Okay. Oh, wow. Ready tayo for soju, ha? Ayan, si Berna. Siya magtitimpla ng soju and beer. Favorite ni Ma'am Cora yan. Ma'am Cora, ayan na yung favorite nyo. Soju with beer. O yan. May bagong favorite si Ma'am Cora. Soju with beer. At si Tita Pat, gusto niya water from Mississippi River. Yeah, ito insect pero masarap po. First time ko nakatikim. What is it called? What is it called? Silkworm?
Silkworm.
Ah, okay. Masarap. Oh, nakain ko eh. Masarap.
Kain mo?
Ah, masarap. Ni Billy, 40,000 pang...
Gusto mo ba, Rolly?
Oh, siyempre, pang isahang ilang. Pag family, 60,000. Oh. Oh. Soju Billy. Oh.
Ito ano yan?
Okay. So dito sinaserve soju with beer. Yun.
Ano yan?
Ilang percent alcohol yan, Billy?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, marami. Parang ano yan? Parang gin sa Pilipinas.
Oh, beer.
Oh, patatry ni Noah, oh. Wow. Binata na talaga. Okay. Nice na. Ako, linagyan mo na ng beer. Ayan. Soju with beer is the best.
Soju. What's soju? Yung green.
Soju, parang ano yan, sa Pilipinas, parang gin.
Gin?
Yeah.
Gin and
Oh,
tonic or something?
hindi. Basta gin, yung malakas na alcohol.
Ay.
Kanya yung mga Koreano, madali malasing.
Kambe.
Oh, kambe. Oh, kambe raw, kambe. Oh, okay. Oh, kambe is... yes.
Cheers.
All right. For the good life. Oh. Okay. Smile. Okay. Yan na. Yan, ilulutuin na natin yan.
Yan.
Sa kabila, magluluto rin sila sa kabila. Oh. Wow.
Fish.
Yun niya yung lutuan. Linigyan ng styrofoam para nakapatong yung pagkain with the gulay. Okay. Ganun pala yung style. Okay. Hindi pa yan luto, baka magkamali kayong kainin. Hindi pa yan luto. Linuluto pa. Ano lasa, Billy? Hindi pa natikman? Ayan, nagsisisil na. It's being cooked already.
How do we eat that by itself?
Sisling na yung in. Halo niya.
1,000.
Siguro,
Alam ko meron.
pagluto na yan, sasabihin niya, you're ready to eat. The Korean style. Wala bang kantang Gangnam? Okay. Oh, Gangnam style. Ayan. Ayan. Mukhang may amoy na, oh.
I-claim ko na yung ramyun ko mamaya din.
Yung sa inyo, nagsisisal na ba, Billy? Yung sa inyo?
Siguro yan Ay, ewan ko.
Hindi, siguro magsasabi siya. Ayan.
Kanya ng, sige, yung apron.
Kailangan daw may apron kayo habang kumakain. Yan. Yan, sabi niya mag-apron daw kayo para walang talsik ka naman. Yan. Siya na nagluluto, no? Para sigurado. Parang sa barbecue. So, siguro ang rice natin yung vegetable, babalutin natin ng vegetable. Okay.
Check now where we can go.
Yan. Uy, sarap na, oh. Yum na, oh. Okay. Ready to eat na raw kami, Billy.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ready to eat na. Okay, let's go. Ayan, kami, eel. Ito, fish. Tapos, sharing na lang ang mangyayari. Di ba? Sharing na lang. Ayan. Luto na raw. Uy. Kanina, buhay pa yan, ha? Ngayon, patay na. Yan. Kanina, buhay pa yan.
But I don't know how to eat it with this.
Sinabi ba natin kung spicy o hindi?
Hindi. Tama.
Hindi siya spicy. Okay. Masarap. Yung masarap pala eh. Sandali. Kakain na ako. Okay.
It's good.
It's good daw eh.
Try this.
Let's go. Let's eat.
This is the octopus. Eat it
masarap daw. Sabi ni Tita Pat. Okay. Alright. Special service ako. Yeah. Special. Yeah. Kailangan daw lagyan nyo ng pambalot. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ay, salamat. I say,
김치도 하나씩 주세요.
One more time.
Sinubo niya sa bibig ko. Okay, sarap. Mas masarap pala pag sinubo niya sa bibig mo. Kasama yung fingers niya. Oh, yours oh. You love eel, huh? Almost. Yeah. Finish everything, Noah. Good, Noah. Galing ni Noah. You happy, oh? Ubos yung eel. Dalawang eel, ubos. Everybody happy, oh? Ubos din yung pagkain nyo, Billy? Ubos? Oh, okay.
Mas masarap ang massage dito.
Alright. Everything is finished. Nagsa-cellphone na eh. Time to pay. Alright. Busog na. Nagbayad na, Berna? Nagbayad na kayo? Oh, it's time to pay. Okay.
Tayo dito, makakatawa tayo dito. Thank you. Alam eh.
Okay.
Paano?
So this is where we ate the eel. We actually made a mistake. We're supposed to have eaten fish and eel, but we got 2 eels instead. All right. So this is the place. Since 1977 pa pala. Okay, goodbye. This is the eel, huh? Everything's alive. Look, oh. Very good, oh. They scoop it with the net. Yeah. So you come here for the eel. Yes. Oh, good. Everything's alive. Look at that, oh. Everything's moving. Oh, okay. Right, again, that's the store where we ate here in Busan.